Most people think pool ownership has to be expensive and stressful, but that's not true. These are the hacks pool owners wish they knew sooner. Simple tips that save money, time, and frustration. And the last hack is the one that can save you the most money every year. Toss a tennis ball into your pool. It absorbs body oils, sunscreen, and lotions that would otherwise clog your filter. It's simple, cheap, and it actually works. Instead of buying that pricey alkalinity increaser, use regular baking soda. It does the exact same job for a fraction of the cost. Just test your water first so you don't overdo it. Stop wasting money on test strips that give you bad readings. A simple tailored drop test kit is way more accurate than strips, and it lasts a long time. I'll link the one I recommend in the description. A solar cover doesn't just keep your pool warmer, it also reduces evaporation, which means less chemical loss and less topping off with water. That's savings on two fronts. If you're finding this video helpful so far, hit like so YouTube shows this to more pool owners. Vacuuming your pool can take a while, so I would recommend a robotic pool cleaner, so it does the work while you relax. Yes, it's an investment, but it saves so much time that most owners say it's their favorite pool purchase. I'll link my recommended model in the description if you want to check it out. Slip a skimmer sock or even an old pair of tights into your skimmer basket. It traps fine debris before it hits your filter. That makes maintenance and cleaning way easier. And here's the one hardly anybody talks about. My secret weapon that can save you hundreds of dollars. Buy your pool chemicals in the off season. Prices can be 30 or 50% lower and they last if properly stored. This one hack can literally save you hundreds of dollars every year. So there you go, 7 hacks to make pool ownership easier, cheaper, and less stressful. The tailored test kit and the robotic vacuum I mentioned are linked in the description. Grab them if you want to make pool care easier. Which hack do you already use in your pool? Drop in the comments. And if you want to avoid the mistakes that cost pool owners the most money, click right here to watch the next video. It'll save you a ton of headaches. The tailored test kit and the robotic pool vacuum